You've been told big lie. You went to college. You did good. You got a job. Good for you. Maybe you're starting a family. Reality starts to set in, right? Your once carefree lifestyle is gone. After about 6 months of this, you realize that your income is not enough for your expenses. And that's the big lie. The average income for a college graduate in the United States is $50,000 a year. So that's about $24 an hour. Comment below, how much do you make an hour? It ain't that, right? Average monthly expenses could be up to $4,000 with rent or mortgage, car insurance, car payments, student loan payments, food, clothes. If you got kids, it adds up, and what you're making is just not making it. The big lie. Are you getting mad yet? I'm pretty pissed off. You need a side hustle. Everybody needs a side hustle, okay? Now you got a student loan payment that's $400 a month. That's the average student loan payment. Car payment average $300 a month. Rent could be up to $1,000 a month. Insurances could be hundreds of dollars a month. I mean, it adds up. And $15 an hour. I got it written down over here. $15 an hour for a 40-hour week is $600. Times 4 is $2,400. So that's the average income. That's $2,400 a month. Okay, average expenses is $4,000, like I said. Okay, which actually I got it written down here. It's like $3,800. Okay, with everything averaged out. If you're paying for everything, right? Cable, phone, all of that stuff, right? So you need a side hustle. You need something that you could put in place that's gonna give you income every month, and I'm going to show you how to do something like that. Subscribe to the channel. That's what the channel's about. We're going to do affiliate marketing. We're going to show you how to set up these simple sales funnels. Very cheap to do. I'm going to show you how you're going to set it up. It's going to make its own money. It's going to keep itself going. And so like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Like I said, how much are you making an hour? How much do you make a week? What's your taxes, okay? Because like I said, if you're making $15 an hour for 40 hours, you're bringing home $600. You're not bringing home $600. You're bringing home like $530, okay? Maybe $500, depending on how much taxes they're taking out. So now you're down to $2,000 a month, and your expenses are $3,100 to $3,800 a month. Okay, so how does that work? Okay, you need to have side hustle. You need to have a side hustle. Let me show you how to build a sales funnel. Let me show you how to set it up. Take the free course. There's a link in the description for a free affiliate marketing course. It's a quick 5 videos. It's going to take you less than an hour to watch, and by the end of that hour, you're going to know how to build a sales funnel and get started. Okay, click the link and get started, because the number one reason why you're not going to make any money online. You want to know the number one reason why you're not going to make money online? Lack of action. You're not going to do anything. Okay, so many people watch the video, but nobody takes the action. Okay, nobody takes the action. It's free. Take the action. Take the videos. Click the link. What do you got to lose? When I was in my 20s, I was struggling. I had to do all kinds of things to make side money to make ends meet. Like I said, we were always short every month. If you need $3,100 and you're only bringing home $2,000, you got to make up $1,100 somewhere, right? So you got to hustle. So I always was doing something on the side, trying to make money online. In 2010, I started making money online and learning sales funnels. I took some online courses, and now I'm showing other people how to do it too, so they can get started. I'm doing it for free. I'm going to show you where to get the tools. Everybody needs tools. I'm going to show you where to get the best tools at the best price, and they're going to get you started making money. It's going to roll over, and you're going to it's going to be amazing. Okay, so really, you got to set these up. You're going to have bills. Things are going to pile up. You get the student loans. It's just ridiculous what they're doing to people with student loans these days. And you need to set up sales funnels. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and getting a commission. Bottom line, easy salesman stuff. Salesman 101. Car salesmen do it. People at Best Buy selling TVs do it. Every salesman that works on commission is doing the same thing, only you're doing it online. You never have the product. You never have it physically on you. You're gonna send them to a link. You're gonna have an affiliate link that's linked to you, so they know it came from you. You're gonna send people to the link, and you're gonna get credit. And you're gonna pay. You're gonna get a commission every time you send somebody to the link. Okay. Now, traffic. It's pretty simple to do, okay? If you're gonna make $50 a conversion, okay, for every conversion you're gonna make $50. So let's say you send 100 people to your website, okay? Let's say there's 2% conversions, right? So 2% of 100 is 2 people, so 2 people buy, that's $100. So you made $100. Now how do you get those 100 people there? That's the key. Now there's free traffic and there's paid traffic. If you pay for traffic, okay, you can pay up to $1 a click. Okay, I was paying 30 cents a click on Facebook. So let's say you pay 50 cents a click. So you pay 50 cents a click, but you make $100, you pay 50, so you made $50. And you just keep scaling that up. You just keep scaling that up, because if on average you're making a 2% conversion rate on 100 or 1,000, 2% conversion rate on whatever number you're using, 2% is 2%, right? And so all you got to do is make sure that you're not spending as much on ads as you're making. It's pretty simple. It's basic math. Okay, the law of averages. If you're making 2%, and the good thing about it is that you don't stay at 2% conversions, because you can tweak, you can change stuff, and you can fix things so that you can get higher conversion rates, and you end up with 5% conversion rate, 7%, 10% conversion rate. And then you're really making money. Okay, but affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description, take the free class, take the free course, and you'll be on your way. Okay, like and subscribe to the channel. My next couple of videos are going to show you how to do this. So it's going to show you getting to the meat and potatoes of affiliate marketing and how much money you can make. So subscribe to the channel.